So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can hide this menu bar. If you want to hide or show or customize this menu bar, you can also do that. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the settings. So if you want to open the settings from here, you can also do that, or if you want to open this from the launchpad, you can also do that. So simply I'm going to click on this, and after clicking on this, simply we need to go to this option which is called dock and menu bar. So let's click on this, and after clicking on this, the setting will be open like this. So as you can see, it has an option set provided here, like if you want to increase the size, you can also do that, it's up to you. Or here's a magnification, if you want to increase or decrease this one, you can also do that. And as you can see, magnification option is also provided here. If you want to increase or decrease this, you can also do that. Position on screen, as you can see, if you want to make it right in the right, you can also do that. If you want to make it in the left, you can also do that, it's up to you. And after that, as you can see, has an option effects are provided here. If you want to zoom it, it's up to you. And has a menu bar automatically hide and show the menu bar. If you want that it should be shown automatically or hide automatically, then you need to click on this option. So in this way you can customize your menu bar. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can customize your menu bar. You just have to follow these steps, and after that you will be able to edit your menu bars. So see you guys in the next video.